Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing video of this mouse mat, the Steelseries QCK Prism XL. The reason I decided to get this mouse mat was mostly because of the RGB. At first I didn't really like RGB, but after I added a little bit of it into my office space, it started to really grow on me. So I've just been upgrading and adding more things. Right now my gaming PC doesn't really have much RGB, but hopefully I can do a new build that is all out RGB. I'm using this Diva mouse mat as well as the QCK Plus. I do use a lower sensitivity when I play FPSs, so the extra surface area does help a lot. The Steelseries Prism XL is actually pretty big, measuring at almost a meter wide at 90 centimeters, and it's also 30 centimeters deep, I guess. The Diva mouse mat that I have is 70 by 30 in comparison. This is a pretty straightforward unboxing. There isn't really much to it. When you open the box, the mouse mat is rolled up and there are some protective sheets of plastic as well as a cardboard cylinder to keep it from folding. Here's how the mouse mat currently looks on my desk. To use the RGB, you're gonna need to plug it into your computer. You'll also need to install software to customize the lighting. I'll do a more thorough review once I've used the mouse pad a little bit longer. Unfortunately, where the USB comes out, there is a bit of a gap between the mat and my desk, so it isn't completely flush. Here's the size comparison. As you can see, it's a bit longer than my Diva mouse mat. And it's a bit shorter than the QCK Plus, which was to be expected. And here's how it looks with my current setup. Thanks again for watching. That's going to be it for this unboxing video. If you guys have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them below. I do have some videos that I'm working on right now, some programming related ones, and my setup videos, as well as upgrading my home server. So if you're interested in any of those, don't forget to subscribe so you know when they're out. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.